assembly code is in here, asmp.s. This is the main. Here we are initializing general purpose registers. Here we are putting some values in the RAM, and this is something that we questioned about it. And here, electrical and computer engineering, this string is going to be written in the flash memory. Now I rebuild. Program the LaunchPad and microcontroller. Now I'm going to use debug restart, reset the CPU. Now all the values you will see. Start going through each line. See, the values are going to be changed for general purpose registers. As you see, program counter is incrementing. Now initializing something in the RAM. So these are actually ASCII coded in ASCII, and we are writing in RAM. In the microcontroller we use, RAM starts from this address. Running program. This is a forever loop. Now let's see where is the program counter. This is the address for program counter. Let's open a memory and go to the address of program counter. 0 0 0 0 5 zeros 2 EA 0x. Now you can see this address is in the flash memory, and you have this value. So you have to select, right click and select ASCII, otherwise you will see some other number. Decimal, let me just float or double. You need to use ASCII for coding. Now let's check this address. As you see, we wrote in this address +1. So you have UCCS in here. Change. You need to write somewhere in the memory with your name. Here, as part of the instruction memory, flash memory, we want you to write the name of your favorite